everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So in this video we are going to study the last topic of this chapter, that is 18.9, what can be done. Then here is an activity given, that is 18.8. Let's read it first. Investigate the level of awareness about water pollution in your area. Collect data on the sources of drinking water and the methods of sewage disposal. What are the common waterborne diseases in the community? You can consult your local doctor slash health worker for this. Which are the governmental and non-governmental organizations working in this field? What are the measures being taken by them for generating awareness? This is only we have to do in this activity, just we have to find out the answers of these questions. Now we have laws for industrial units should be strictly implemented so that polluted water is not disposed of directly into rivers and lakes. So there is a measure taken for the prevention of water pollution. Now water treatment plants should be installed in all industrial areas. At our individual levels, we should consciously save water and not waste it. Reduce, reuse, and recycle should be our mantra. Think of your daily routine. How can you save water? We can think of creative ideas like reusing water used for washing and for other household tasks. They are telling that we should apply the mantra, that is reduce, reuse, recycle, and we should think all the processes and all the points or the measures of how can we save water and how can we make it effective for drinking and how can we reuse it for used for washing and for other household tasks. For example, water used for washing vegetables may be used to water plants in the garden. Pollution is no longer a distant phenomenon, it is affecting the quality of our daily lives. Unless we all realize our responsibility and start using environment friendly processes, the very survival of our planet is in danger. So we can use the water which for washing the vegetables. We can use that water in plants. So pollution is no longer a distant phenomenon, it is widely affecting our daily lives, and we should take a responsibility so can we save our environment. Then we have, do you know, while brushing your teeth, leaving the tap running may waste several liters of water. A tap that drips once every second wastes a few thousand liters of water every year. Think about it. Where they are telling that we should stop the tap while we are brushing our teeth, so it can save it can save water. We should always think about it, that how can we preserve our water in our daily lives. So that's it for the video, and we will learn the summary of this chapter in the next video.